the character that assassinated the followers and the son. Only 3 round-play robbers decided to make.
Hello! We're here! Salamat po. Red voice.
Okay.
Ida Tabuso from Alumni Association Philippines.
Secretary.
Imelda de los Reyes, the University Registrar of UERN.
Quezon City, Philippines. Irene Igual from Norwalk, California. Class 76.
Angie Andez from LA, California. The island of the Philippines. Becca Marquez from Long Beach, California. Former Secretary of Department of Medicine. Hey! Dr.
Romeo. Video ka. Diyan, maputi ka dyan. Ipakilala mo sarili mo.
Osteoporosis. We get hot flashes, which is $20.
Ito pa. Meron na ako niyang chips eh. Meron na. It smells very...
Fractures the hip bone.
Nangayayat kang dalawa, anong hindi na kayo kumakain? First time I saw you.
Isa lang.
Ako 4 na.
4 na? One for...
Ganda pa rin ito.
Doble ang donation.
Doble donation.
Dalme. Recorded ito, Dalme. Kaya wala kang lusot.
We will miss you. Oy, nako, ito siyempre. Oh, dapat nandito ka kasi maginaw dito.
Sabihin mo kay baby, regards.
Oh, really? Oh my God. It's hot and humid there. Okay. O, sige.
Miss namin ang sayaw niya.
Oo.
Nag-aaral lang
O, sige. Regards kay baby. Okay?
Hindi.
Alright. Okay. Okay.
Hindi
Okay.
interested yung...
Different problems begin. For women, of course. Okay, I'll give the history of hormone therapy. Aging is a loss of hormonal balance, and hormone production, of course, declines. Emotional, mental, and physical illnesses set in.
The need for better coordination and policy monitoring. Given the devolved setting, LGUs formulate and enforce local policies, and public officials are the primary movers that shape the form and quality of the service provision and delivery. According to the WHO, ongoing reforms in health service delivery are aimed at improving the accessibility and availability of basic and essential health care for all.
76, the keynote speaker of the Dr. Jose Cuyegeng Annual and the 24th Annual UERMMC MAA and AFUSA Convention and Reunion at the San Francisco Marriott Marquis Hotel, San Francisco, California, USA, July 6, 2012.
Very nice. Very nice.
Nag-iintay kami. No, just by yourself. Pero meron akong tinetext ko yung anak ko. Tapos sabi ko, hanggang muli kita. Kami, ibigay siya ako.
sa Lambert.
Stage na lang. Maganda yun. Mabigyan ka pa ng 8 more months.
Yung mag-date ko kasi arranged by year. By year.
Vicky, si Vince.
Ngayon, yung kakatapos ng babae, gumraduate na sa internal medicine sa
Isang Pascual, di ba? Di ba dalawang Pascual? Yung isang Pascual yata.
Sabi ko, nagmana lang yung kulay ng buhok ng dati mong buhok.
Mga kasamahan na animal,
Lola.
The theories that was taught to them. We continue to improve the conduct of our OSCE, the objective structured clinical evaluation in all levels, taken the National Medical Admission Test. So this was different, the requirement of CHED was different from what we had previously when we were applicants to the College of Medicine. We were
acquiring it through a profit-sharing scheme. The OR, the ANP will have its share of aging equipment, 17, 20, 16 years, 18 years.
I just want to mention
The operating room has also aging equipment for the hospital. So lately we have been on a buying spree. The equipment that I showed you
1:3
are either
the board of directors. Yeah. Wait for picture.
Recite that, let's.
Congratulations,
Her president-elect, Dr. Paul Hamor. Please stand right next to Dr. Nena Balon Reyes. Her secretary, Dr. Irene Igual. Her treasurer, Dr. Eva Padilla. Can you please call Eva in the back? And her auditor, Dr. Maria Teresa Terry Pastor. And the chapter officers, please remain to be called as the board of directors, and we can all have one picture, one photo op. Does the dean have the wireless? Huh? will be a brief.
Wala na mamaya na tayo magsasalita. We are too late.
Thank you.
Can somebody call the treasurer? Can somebody call?
Yes, here comes Eva Padilla. The new. Well, she's retained as the treasurer. And also Dr. Teresa Pastor Terry is also retained as the auditor.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Having been elected to the position of, do hereby solemnly swear that I will discharge the duties of my position faithfully and to do the best of my ability. I will support and defend the Constitution and bylaws of the UERMMC Medical Alumni Association of America Incorporated. I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I understand and will sign the conflict of interest form and other code of ethics provision of the Medical Alumni Association. So help me God.
Congratulations to the newly elected officers.
Okay. This camera. 1, 2, 3.
Right.
Okay.
Take care. Ready now? We can start now?
Yeah.
Okay. Our official is as old as his oldest son. So hanapin nyo yan ha, kung ano naman ang date natin. So another request that I'd like to do, request from you. For an hour and a half, I will call our esteemed dean as Beta Reta. Please, and I'll give you a gift. Accept that. Okay.
Anyway, I am so glad that we had the opportunity to have this first Brad and Sis gathering. And this year it's even more memorable because you have a president who has a Sigma Beta and a president-elect who is a Beta Sigma. Yay! I hope that in all these conventions, you know, we can get together like this and probably plan on some projects also as well, so that our sorority and the Brad's fraternity will be able to give a project to help the university. So this is the spirit of sisterhood and brotherhood. And I wish you would all tell our other sis and our brads to join us, to communicate with us, so we can always be open to all suggestions, criticisms, you know, but we are more open to contributions. So, okay, thank you.
YouTube. Talaga mo.
Hilaw kami, mga sis.
Ganyan.
I will copy it.
angle.
Okay. Wait, si Ida pa.
Ida, I can see you.
Ida. Dito. Sino Ida? Dito. Ida. Hindi ka ba
One more.
Stomach in, please.
Are you talking to Dr. De Villagracia?
Oo, na-document siya.
Pang YouTube daw.
Ganun ba? Really?
Sino kukuha sa inyo?
Sasayaw tayo.
These are the best looking members of Class 71. We are getting ready for the party. Everybody's dressed. You're looking at Nestor, Vicky. Okay, and Raquel.
Hold it, hold it. Deep breath and hold it.
Really nice. Okay.
Hold your breath. You're getting no cyanotic.
One more. One more. One more. One more.
Yes. Picture taking.
Bakit wala ka
Practicing yogi yun.
Confirm that.
Kakatakot yun.
Unang biktima.
Bakit pinupuntahan yung asawa mo doon?
Meron siya mga scholars, you know?
mga drug agent ang umutang ng mga bakit? Ano ginagawa niya? Meron daw sa penthouse, Maricon, hindi katulad ng Ginagawa namin mahal. Eh di, pinuhanan kami Lori.
keynote speaker.
The UERM-MMC MAAAI, UERM-MA FUSA Incorporated, Alliance in France, and the MAAAI, Northern California Chapter, 24th Annual Convention and Reunion. Appreciation Award is presented to Governor Eduardo C. Formalo, MD 76, Keynote Speaker, in appreciation for his contribution as the keynote speaker for Dr. Jose Cuyequeng Memorial Lecture, 24th Annual Convention and Reunion, and for his continued support for the Medical Alumni Association, the Alumni Foundation USA. Given the 6th day of July 2012 at the San Francisco Marquis Hotel in San Francisco, California, USA. Signed, Dr. Susan Perez Untay, President, Dr. Renato Querubin, Chairman of the Board of Trustees, UERM FUSA, Dr. Carmen Kawili, Convention Chair and President, Dr. Isabelita Casiba, President, UERM FUSA, Dr. Agnes Alegpala, Chairman, CME Committee, and Dr. Clementina Manyo, VP and ANSI Commissioner.
This next award goes to my own classmate, Dr. Rolando Puno. I am recognizing Dr. Rolando Puno because you may not know it, but he is one of the first inventors.
Puno MD +77 as the inventor and principal developer of the world's first poly-axial spinal pedicle screw, which he had manufactured in the Philippines, changed and innovated the treatment and methodology of complex spinal deformities forever. For his great support to the MAAAI, given in 7 days in this hotel with the same secretaries. From the Philippines, we look at Dr. Puno, who put Philippine orthopedics in the world map. So thank you very much.
This Lifetime Recognition Award is presented to Benjamin M. Rigor, MD 62, for his lifetime commitment and exemplary dedication to the UERM-MMC MAAAI and the UERM FUSA Lifetime Moderator of the annual Dr. Jose Cuyequeng Memorial Lecture Series, given the 6th day of July 2012 at this hotel. Same signatories. Dr. Renato D. Querubin, MD 67, for his commitment and dedication to the UERM-MMC MAAAI and the UERM FUSA as its chairman of the board.
Punta ko yung mga bata sa bato. Nakakaayos dito. Sasali.
Class.
Our team is also very much involved in national and international organization, which includes he is the country representative to the advisory board of the Association for Medical Education in the Western Pacific region. She is a member of the Continuing Professional Education. She is chairman of the Technical Committee for Medical Education of the Commission on Higher Education. She is also an international accreditor of the medical schools of the Philippine Association of Accrediting Schools, Colleges, and Universities. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our Dean, Alfred Andreu.
For the kind introduction. I thought that I was supposed to be greeting you only. Anyway, this will only take about 3 minutes. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Good evening to everyone. So on behalf of the UERN Memorial Medical Center Incorporated and the College of Medicine community, it is with pride and joy that I joined the MAAI, the AFUSA, and the Northern Californian chapter as the host chapter in warmly welcoming all of you again to this culminating event, the Gala Night. I congratulate once more our celebrating classes led by the Golden and Silver Jubilarians, the class of 1962 and the class of 1987. I congratulate the organizers of this convention and reunion for a very successful event. Indeed, a job very well done. So let's give them a big round. Let me commend the two outgoing presidents of their respective organizations and the chairman of the AFUSA Board of Trustees, as well as their officers, for their sincere dedication, unwavering commitment, and excellent performance as leaders in their respective organizations. And to all the newly elected officers of the MAAI, led by Dr. Meda Balon Reyes, and the president of the AFUSA, led by Dr. Elmer Hilo, congratulations, and I wish you the best. Continue to keep the fire burning. I look forward to a stronger and a more fruitful partnership to achieve our shared goal in sustaining quality medical education and providing healthcare services to our people, especially the marginalized sector of our society. And to all the alumni, our friends and benefactors, your significant contributions are well recognized by the Medical Center. My profound gratitude and sincere appreciation to you for your unrelenting commitment and untiring support to our various programs and projects which inspire us to carry on our passion for excellence.
87 are Silver Jubilarians. Thank you very much, 1987. We're now going to have a musical presentation of the Golden Jubilarian.
Dean Salcedo, and to President De Luma, and to all the alumni. Now,
need your participation because there are only a few of us. Sing along with us and you may feel something.
We were young and quite naive to live our past while really brave. We will be doctors, we dare declare, Chakrin Kuyak instead.
What you will go through, you don't have a bit of clue. If doctors you want to be, it's up to me. Just wait and see.
We came back from Lee 141. Surely we'll graduate, we won't miss.
I'm not here to speak before you, but I would like to introduce the new officers of the foundation. Yours truly, the new chairman, Vicky Casban. The vice chair is Dr. Roy Baldomero. Please stand up. Dr. Baldomero, please come in. Come to the front. Officers of the foundation, if you have any question, if you have anything to ask for grantee or ask about our project, please, you are welcome to ask them. Either you approach them or through our website, www.uermausa.org. And then we have the 2012 to 2015 Board of Trustees, newly elected, Dr. Tessie Torres. She is not available due to some personal reasons.
Your chairman for the She is a board-certified OBGYN practicing in Southern California. She's a mother of Michael and Donna and our big sister to all of us. She is also a community leader and outstanding supporter of the association. She's a very loyal person. She's a mentor to all of us. Please, let's welcome Ateneda.
Good evening. I was given 3 minutes to present my new officers and my speech. And I remembered what my sis Ida Chionko said. Beyond 5 sentences, nobody listens. President of the UERM Medical Center, Dr. Romeo Divina Gracia, Dean Alforeta Tan Reyes, Medical Director Andres Borromeo, Governor of Romblon, Dr. Ed Firmalo, Director of Universal Health Services, Henry Yanez, President of the Medical Alumni Association of the Philippines, Dr. Jed Insiong, Dr. Elmer Hilo, the new President of AFUSA, fellow alumni, especially the Golden and Silver Jubilarians, my beloved classmates, class 1971, my fellow veterans, family, friends, ladies and gentlemen. 2 years ago, I was overwhelmed and humbled by the trust and confidence you bestowed on me that brought me up here today to serve as the president of our Alumni Association over the next 2 years. Most of us were wondering where our association was leading to then. I am here because we all cared. You cared and I cared to turn a new page in our association's history by righting the wrongs of the past and so moving forward with confidence to the future. It is surely a tough act to follow the outgoing president, Dr. Susan Suntay, as far as having the time, the dedication, and the perseverance he had over the past 2 years. But there is one thing for sure we share, and that is the love for our alma mater, love for our association, our families, our classmates and friends. And this keeps us coming and giving. I would like to impart to all alumni this love for the unity, friendship, and camaraderie to be able to attain the purpose of our association in the pursuit of the goals for the missions and visions of the UERM Medical Center. Let us accept the fact that UERM-MMC changed our lives forever. Youth fades and life slows down, yet we must keep setting goals and make them happen. Leaving a legacy, the memory of what we were like, not just our personalities, but our characters and our faith as well. We needed our school many moons ago, but today our school needs us. We today must take the first step by acknowledging the past, a glorious past indeed, and lay claim to a future that embraces all alumni then and now. A future based on mutual respect, mutual resolve, and mutual responsibility. Our challenge for the future is to cross that bridge, close the gap between old and new. This is the core of this partnership. Let us entice our fellow alumni, especially the younger ones, to attend and join in these yearly conventions. Make them feel that the sense of belonging and welcome them to the UERM family. Technology has revolutionized the practice of medicine today. We as alumni can contribute and support in many ways to provide the foundation for technology and research in our hospital and in our medical school. A rich and experienced teaching staff is also important in this objective, so that grants for a faculty advancement program must be wedded to technology. Let's get our house in order. Let us all give for one purpose, making UERM-MMCI the best medical school, not just along Aurora Boulevard. What problems unite us instead of belaboring those problems that divide us. To those of us alumni who never thought much about growing older, and to those of us who are now older, I simply have a message to you all. Let us learn to grow old with grace and find the guidance to finish well. Finishing well with the legacy of giving back to our beloved UERM-MMC. And as we are about to conclude this Rejuvenation Week, let us seize the day. Let it not become a moment of sentimental reflection. Remember, it is not sentiment that makes history. It is our actions that makes history. I thank you. God bless UERM-MCI and its alumni. And the auditor, Dr. Teresa Galarpi Pastor from Class 78 from Southern California. Last but not least, the Executive Director, my COO. I told her she has to just say OO. Eddie Jimenez Windsor.
Thank you.